Bandiji, my third question is that where to speak, how to speak.
Yeah. So it is with regard to timing, Buddha also mentioned about it in his one teaching.
Uh,
I don't remember the sutta name, but
uh,
he says that there are some situation where you know you can keep quiet. In some situation you can say, but you have to see the time. You have to see when is the right time to say, right time to keep quiet, right time to maybe say more or say less, or right place. So all those things you have to say, and that is something you have to yourself understand, because it depends on the situation, right?
Nobody will suggest you.
Yeah, I know.
This is a specific time.
Maybe you can take some advice from people, but you know the situation better, right?
What is your advice? Where we have to speak and where we have
That's
not?
that's what I'm saying. It depends on the situation, no?
Okay.
You have to that's
Hmm.
see, this is also something which comes with experience also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
See, let's say you 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 work on it, or when to say, what is the right time to say, like that you work on it, and then you will know it, yeah.
okay.
But there's something, but you have to keep in mind that I have to see the right time, right place, and right amount, how much to, especially when it is something which is little serious, which is little important, especially if it can if it can create some result, I mean, which means when there's a repercussion.
You mean if there is a good result, we have
Mm.
to speak.
Yeah, I mean, y- especially, of course the result, we don't know, right?
We don't know the result.
Result, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm saying
Hmm.
there are some speech which might cause some result,
Results.
it might cause some inconvenience or uncomfortable result, especially those kind of speech, so that kind of speech we have to rethink, we have to. And Buddha also said we have to check our mind at that time, whether our mind is peaceful or not,
Okay. Before speak,
before speaking. Yeah.
we have to observe that we are calm or not.
Yes.
If we are not calm, we not able
No,
to
not better. It's better not to speak. Yeah.
speak.
Yeah.
That time we have to be silent.
Silent. Yeah.
Okay.